What is shamanism? It is the understanding, the practice, the way of life that we, living and non-living, are all connected in this continuous web of life. It is the water we drink, the soil beneath our feet, the fire within our belly, and the wind that kisses our cheek. It is our ancestors, all of our ancestors who came before us. It is the future generations not yet born. What is shamanism really? It is a way of life that what we do now in this present moment continues in future generations. Just because our physical bodies pass does not mean that our soul stops living. It is the connection between us and everything we touch and feel and think. It is everything. And when it comes to healing, shamanism has a way of teaching us how to access our codes that we were born with. And in these codes, we can heal ourselves, our minds, our bodies. That is powerful. That is shamanism.